Oh, excuse me. Hello again, loves. Today we're going to do a fun Christmas layout. I did find that I have one more photo to do of 2023, but I've added that to the dog's photo. So as you can see here, I took a close to my heart Starburst stencil, which you probably couldn't even see that, could you? I still can't because it's clear, it's fine. And I went along it and then just traced it and spent the last hour stitching that up. I got hand cramps. So that's going to be the back of our layout. And we're going to do 2 photos. So this is a 6x8. So we need to trim those down. And this is a rando page kit that I've got put together because we need to make these. Do 4x6, right? No. 4. I don't remember if these ever. Yeah, they do. Okay. Some of them don't actually line up right, so we need to take those and trim those photos down to work with that. And then I've got a 6x6 paper pad. But let's see, do we have anything that is 2? We do the green, and then there was one more green in there, wasn't there? There we go. So we'll do the green and the green. And then, so actually, because these are going to be that's rough right there, isn't it? Let's do this one right there. And then right there. Well, there's a little star right here. I have no idea what that's from. I assure you it is probably from that sticker sheet, but we're gonna get rid of it. Alright, so we need to take this down. So I'm cutting that to, this is going to be 3 1/3 by 6 1/3. Which I somehow did not get that to be 6 1/3. Okay, now it is. And then it'll go like that, right? So that was a horrible trim. So we'll just go ahead and get that trimmed off. So we'll have this on here with a very small green border and then a very small red border, and I'm going to get them on there. So I'm going to finish this up and I'll be right back. So I got my photos matted and stuck on there. We went with the Peace on Earth. I'm just pulling stuff because the goal is to, you know, try to get some of this stuff used up because it's somewhat super old. So we're going to put these guys in here. Use up this whole sheet. There was a few other items, but it says first known to Snowflake, and I have a very fun picture of Maggie from this year when we got the monster Snowmageddon. I think we got like 8 or 12 inches of snow, which is really unheard of for us. So that's done. And she's running through the snow, and her ears are flopping behind her, and it's just really cute, and I'm going to use that. Alright, so we've got those on there. Then we have this we'll use this as well to bring in some of those up here, which those being pine cones. Okay. Little cardinal. And I like this widow guy. And on all of it I am adding extra adhesive because I'm trying to put it over all of this stuff. So we're going to use the little skunky guy. And go ahead and get this one stuck on here as well. Cover up some of these random people that I don't know. They weren't with us. You know what I'm saying? There's so many fun things. I think we can just come in and add a few of these little guys, you know, a little sprinkle around. And let's come up here. And put one over there. This one we'll tuck underneath there. Okay. I really want to like use the chipboard pieces, but I just don't think those are going to make it on that layout. Let's see what we have in this little monstrosity of stuff. Could bring in these guys. Maybe put one there. Whoa, I almost lost that whole thing. We're going to go just to cover up that little trap space on the squirrel's booty. Booty. You know what? We're going to put this one right there because we can, you guys. That's why, because we can. And that's, you know, it's not actually losing anything. The whole point of it is the JoJo Shakeboard. And actually, Jamie took most of these pictures. So I just stole her pictures. And I told her I was going to do that because this was our trip. We were there together. And I was like, we don't need to have, like, all the same pictures. Okay. So to be real, that's what we're going to do. And we're going to call this layout done. I'm going to figure out how to fold this. I'm going to leave this in here, right? I don't know. I'll figure that out. I got to put it in my little bin. So that's going to do it. I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. And the majority of this is just all about that hand stitching. My hand hurts. And so no more hand stitching for a while. But don't forget to check out the links down below. And I will see you later with another video. Bye.